My name is Eric, I'm 23, and I'm taking up Certified Nursing Assistant. The reason why I came to Job Corps was because when I was at home, home began to become toxic. When I was homeless, it was almost like I had to continue to find out new ways to survive. You know, everything was changing rapidly around me. It was hard to find work. And at that moment, I was trying to take care of not just myself, but also my younger brother. So it was difficult, and I had to figure out a plan. But there was no plan that came to mind. Thankfully, I got in contact with my friends, and she had told me about Job Corps. She had went to a Job Corps in Pennsylvania, and what it did for her. So I decided to look into it, and we went through the process, and now I'm here. Coming to Job Corps, I was finally able to relax, in a sense. I was able to really direct my focus on what it is that I intended to do and the goals that I had set for myself. For those that find themselves stuck or trying to figure out a solution to their struggles, the best way to do that is to discover what your purpose is. Discover what really means a lot to you. For me, Job Corps helped me discover my purpose.